Here is the best way on how you can fix easy anti-cheat launch error. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix the launch error. First of what you need to do is just simply go to your Epic Games section right over here, and you need to be on the library to find your games. So easy anti-cheat supports games like Fortnite. So I do have the game Fortnite. So what you can do is simply press on these three dots right over here on the game, and right over here you'll see some options, but you need to go ahead and press on manage. Once you type manage, you'll see installations. Go ahead and press on open install location. And right over here, it will bring up this. So right over here, you have to go to Fortnite game and then binaries and then Win64. Right over here, you'll see the option of easy anti-cheat. So at this point, you have to just press on easy anti-cheat. And here you'll be able to see it. Just simply press on that and then press on send to. And right over here, you'll see the option of desktop create shortcut. Just simply press on that and you'll be able to see a shortcut. So what you have to do is just simply right click on the shortcut and you have to go to properties. And right over here on the target, you have to left click, and next to that, you have to press space and you have to type in word repair. Just like that. Once you type it in, you have to press on apply and then okay. So mine doesn't need any fixing, but once you do that, you have to press on run as administrator. So if it works, it's good. If it's not working, what you can do is just simply go to your firewall settings over here on your Windows and then press on allow an app or feature. And right over here, you have to press on change settings and you have to press allow another app. And right over here, you have to browse it and you have to go to this PC or desktop, and inside desktop you'll be able to see easy anti-cheat. Just simply press on that and select that and keep it right over here and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to run the app and the launch error won't be there. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.